Hey everyone, Carlin from HP here, and today we've got some brand new HP products to show you. The ZBook Firefly G10, the ZBook Power G10, and the ZBook Studio G10. These are 3 of the 4 mobile workstations that make up the ZBook Mobile Workstation G10 range, with the 4th one being the ZBook Fury G10, which we'll cover in detail in another video. In the past couple of years, many HP customers have made the move to hybrid work, whether out of necessity in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, or by design, with the aim of giving their workforce more flexibility around where they can be productive. Either way, we've seen a dramatic shift from desktop workstations to more versatile mobile workstations. This reality has been made possible thanks to groundbreaking technological innovation, putting more power and performance into more mobile form factors. Comparing ZBook mobile workstations to other notebooks, they have independent software vendor certification and the best possible performance and reliability, allowing more complex workflows that just aren't possible on a traditional business notebook. The ZBook Firefly G10 is HP's entry point into the mobile workstation range. Available in a 14-inch and 16-inch chassis, the ZBook Firefly bridges the gap between business notebooks and mobile workstations. The Firefly has a slim profile with a modern selection of ports, including 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4 in Intel-powered models, 2 full-size USB-A 3.1 ports, and full-size HDMI. It easily fits in your bag and uses HP context-aware technology to automatically hibernate when in your bag or stay cool when on your lap. HP has also introduced its new Battery Shield 2.0 to better protect your battery from damage in more rugged environments. That battery also uses HP Fast Charge and Intelligent Charging, which uses AI to learn your work patterns and optimize power consumption. Performance-wise, both 14-inch and 16-inch models support 13th gen Intel i5 and i7 processors with support for up to the i7 14-core P-Series vPro Enterprise model. You can get up to 64GB of DDR5 dual-channel memory, 2TB of PCIe Gen 4 SSD storage, and the option of a discrete 4GB RTX A500 graphics card. On top of the previously available Full HD Plus 16:10 display with the option for touch, the 14-inch ZBook Firefly also has support for HP's latest gen Dream Color display, with 1 billion on-screen colors, an improved 120Hz refresh rate, a 2K or 2560x1600 resolution, and a 100% DCI P3 color gamut for world-class visual fidelity. If color accuracy is mission critical for your work, this is the display for you. On top of that, the 16-inch Firefly offers the option of an OLED display with the best contrast ratio, a wide viewing angle, true blacks, HDR support, 400 nits of brightness, and like the Dream Color display, a 100% DCI P3 color gamut. All models also use HP adaptive color technology, so that the color on your screen stays consistent in different lighting conditions. Collaboration has always been crucial for creatives and people who are working on large, complex projects or in diverse teams, and the way that we collaborate today has drastically changed with the advancement of technology. If you're working in Teams, Zoom, or any number of collaborative platforms, the ZBook Firefly G10 will instantly upgrade your video and audio to make it feel more like your team is with you in the room. It has an AI-enhanced face-framing 5-megapixel camera and premium Bang & Olufsen tuned audio with dynamic voice leveling to keep your voice consistent throughout your call, and AI-driven noise reduction to remove any distracting sounds from your audio feed. The Firefly now also supports simultaneous use of multiple cameras and gives you multi-camera control to automatically switch to the camera with the best angle. HP has also added keystone correction for use of your camera with a whiteboard, as well as depth detection, low light, backlight, and background adjustment for the best possible image. Alright, that's the ZBook Firefly G10. Let's take a look at the ZBook Power G10. The ZBook Power G10 is for users that require workstation-class computing and graphics supported for their specific applications, all while staying within their budget. This product also allows users to configure their exact requirements and support the freedom to upgrade and expand further down the line without having to buy the top-of-the-line model. With G10, the ZBook Power has also received several collaboration and battery upgrades fit for the world of hybrid work. Starting with performance, the ZBook Power supports 13th gen Intel processors up to the i9H series 14-core CPU. Across the board, RAM is upgradable to 64GB of dual-channel memory, with storage up to 8TB with 2 M.2 PCIe Gen 4 slots. In terms of graphics, there's support for NVIDIA RTX 1000 and 2000 class GPUs. But this new generation also supports an RTX 3050 Ti card. Another improvement is an optional Quad HD 15.6-inch display with a 100% sRGB color gamut and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. This is in addition to the Full HD options that were previously available. Not only does the battery in the ZBook Power G10 have an 86 watt-hour capacity, it also has HP's Battery Shield 2.0 technology that we mentioned earlier, with HP Fast Charge, intelligent charging, and control via the HP Power Manager dashboard. The port selection not only includes all the basics, but has a handy RJ45 port for Ethernet connectivity. Just like the Firefly, the ZBook Power G10 is now an HP Presence Enhanced device, meaning it has an array of advanced collaboration features, including multi-camera support, keystone correction, HP Dynamic Voice Leveling, AI-driven noise reduction, and most notably, the addition of the AI-enhanced 5-megapixel camera. All round, the ZBook Power G10 is capable of delivering powerful performance at a price point lower than that of the ZBook Studio or Fury. And with the addition of more advanced collaboration features, it's a fantastic device for hybrid work. Alright, let's take a look at the ZBook Studio G10. The ZBook Studio G10 is the perfect sweet spot between powerful performance and the ultimate mobility in a mobile workstation. With new 13th gen Intel processors with support for up to an i9 14-core CPU, it can handle complex rendering or just about any other project you throw at it. It supports up to 64GB of memory, 4TB of PCIe Gen 4 storage, and there's support for next-gen RTX A1000 through to A4000 class NVIDIA ProViz GPUs, or even a GeForce RTX 4080 GPU, which is suitable for use with Unreal 5 or virtual reality. Design-wise, the Studio is incredibly thin compared to most other notebooks in its class, with 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, 1 USB Type-A port, a third USB-C port with display out, audio jack, micro SD slot, and a dedicated AC adapter to support the powerful CPU and GPU. It has incredibly narrow bezels to incorporate the 16-inch display into a small footprint. That 16-inch display also supports an optional 4K OLED panel or a 4K Dream Color panel with a billion on-screen colors, 100% DCI P3 color gamut, and a 120Hz refresh rate. It also has an RGB keyboard so that you can color code your application shortcuts with built-in presets for Adobe and SolidWorks via the Z Lightspace software. So there we go. 3 mobile workstations, all with their own unique set of benefits. If you're interested in learning more about the G10 range of ZBooks, reach out to someone from your local HP team. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time, but until then, take care.